Hello everyone, welcome back to Build with Cosmo. So over the last few videos, you have seen me building Nexus AI Admin, you have seen the dashboard, you have seen the AI chart, you have seen the Kanban board, and you have seen the product slowly come together. But there was one thing I haven't showed you yet. Where is all of this actually going? Because let's be honest, I didn't spend all these weekends building Nexus just to keep it on my laptop. So today I am finally going to show you what I have been working on behind the scenes. So this is KitCraft and this is where Nexus is going to live. The idea behind KitCraft is very simple. Over the last few years, I have worked on a lot of client projects, SaaS projects, AI tools, dashboards, internal tools, and business applications. And one thing I noticed is that developers keep rebuilding the same thing again and again. Authentication, admin panels, forms, tables, settings, permissions, dashboards, and so on. Every project starts from zero, and after building these things again and again, I started thinking, what if I create products that help developers skip all of that and start building faster? Now, obviously, there are already a lot of great platforms and marketplaces out there. I'm not trying to pretend this is a completely new idea, but I have always wanted to build something of my own. A place where I can launch products, templates, starter kits, and ideas that I genuinely find useful. So that's what KitCraft is. My attempt at building a marketplace and ecosystem of products that developers, freelancers, founders, and businesses can use to launch faster. And Nexus is going to be the first product on that journey. And honestly, seeing Nexus on an actual website feel very useful. A few months ago, this was just an idea, then it became a side product, and now it's slowly becoming a real product, which is exciting and slightly scary at the same time. Nexus AI Admin is going to be the first product available on KitCraft, but it definitely won't be the last because while building Nexus, I also started working on a few other things. So, one of them is a developer portfolio template, something modern, clean, SEO friendly, and designed to help developers showcase their work properly. Because let's be honest, most developers' portfolio looks exactly the same. I also started building a photographic portfolio template, and honestly, I wasn't planning to build it initially, but after working on it, I really found out the design feel clean, modern, and more premium than I expected. I'm not going to reveal everything today. I will give these templates their own dedicated video very soon. I've also started exploring some business website templates, things like homestays, villas, resort, clinic, restaurants, and few other ideas as well. One concept I really excited about is a homestay website called Stayora. Instead of a normal website, I'm trying to make it feel like a story. As a user scroll, they slowly explore the property, the rooms, the experience, and the surroundings, almost like a small interactive journey. I think that could turn into something really interesting. The goal is to slowly build a collection of useful products that developers, freelancers, founders, and businesses can use. So, over time, KitCraft won't be just Nexus, it will have dashboards, portfolio templates, business websites, starter kits, and hopefully a lot more. Now, before you think everything is finished, trust me, it's not. Every time I think I'm done, I find another thing that needs fixing. A button needs improvement, a page needs polishing, a layout needs adjusting. I think that's just part of building products. You're never really finished, you just eventually decided it's time to launch. Right now, my main focus is getting Nexus ready, finishing the final details, improving the experience, making sure everything feels polished because I want the first product on a KitCraft to be something I am genuinely proud of. And honestly, we are getting pretty close now. After Nexus launches, I have already got a way too many ideas written down, portfolio templates, business ideas, AI starter kits, more dashboards, and few other products I will share later. So this is really just beginning of the journey. If you have been following along so far, thank you. Whether you are one of the first viewer, one of the first subscriber, or someone who just discovered the channel today, I appreciate you being here. And if you are building something yourself, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you are working on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.